Historical Head Midterm Project. Your Historical Head. Rationale. You have learned a lot about the founders of our country, the documents they wrote, and the ideas the documents explain. Now is your chance to show how these things fit together into a narrative of the way power was used, expressed, and transferred during our nation's founding. One way historians study history is by looking at primary source artifacts. An artifact is something that has historical significance. You will be putting together a grouping of artifacts, words, quotes, or events that demonstrate the use of power during the founding of our country as it relates to one of the founders. You can choose anyone we have studied so far, or someone else from this time period in our country you would like to research. Assignment. Download the assignment linked below with the head drawing provided for you. Draw, cut out, or create artifacts to place in your head that tell us something about how your person used, exhibited, traded, benefited, or suffered from power. All artifacts must be appropriate for school. Collages can be made of photos, pictures, flags, maps, drawings, etc. You can use words, phrases, poems, or other written material that show your thought. Shapes, colors, and symbols can all be used to describe this person's power. Use an attractive display. You must fill your head with no less than 6 individual artifacts, and you can use more. 3. The most important part of this assignment is the writing. You must write the story of how your person exhibited power. You will explain what you put in your head. But the big thing is to explain why those things are important or how they showed power. 4. Scan or save your completed assignment and submit it on this page. Where to start? Review the previous weeks. Check your vocabulary. Review your notes. Do some research if you do not have 6 events, items, or action this person took that show how power and authority were demonstrated during the founding of America. Grading. Presentation. Does it look like you spent some time? Is it neat? Did you spell correctly? Writing. About 2 strong, complete paragraphs should be your goal. Please use paragraphs and appropriate essay format. Please type your essay at the bottom of the head so it is in one document. Content. Does your writing show that you understand this person, their role in the foundation of our country, and the use of power? Troubleshooting. Can't put pictures in your head. Make sure to use page text or format picture or wrap text and tight on all the pictures so that you can move them on top of each other. If you cannot make this work, feel free to put the pictures around rather than in the head. Can't write on the page. Insert a text box and write in that. You may also need to format the text box as directed above. Anything else? Call, text, or send your teacher or technology expert a Schoology message. This is your midterm assignment, therefore it is worth a lot of points. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Here is a Google Doc version. If you use this, remember to save it with your name. Word document, Historical Head document. Google document, Historical Head Google document.